Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making mushroom chicken sauce. These are the recipe I will be using: boneless chicken, mushroom, cooking cream, cooking butter, onions, red onions, ginger and garlic, fresh parsley, white pepper, rosemary, black pepper, dried parsley, ginger and garlic powder, seasoning, curry powder. First, I will start with my chicken by adding my garlic and ginger powder, seasoning, curry powder, dried parsley, little bit. I will mix. Now I'm done with the chicken. First, I will start by adding my butter. I will be turning it to the other side. I'm through with the chicken. I will be adding a little bit olive oil. I will start by adding my onion. Red onions. I love using a lot of onions in my food. Ginger and garlic. I will not add my mushroom. White pepper, rosemary, black pepper, I will leave the mushroom to cook for 3 minutes. The mushroom has been cooking for 3 minutes now. Next, I'll add my cooking cream. I will not be adding any salt to it because I already used salt and seasoning for my chicken. I think that one is enough. I will leave it to cook for 5 minutes. My mushroom chicken sauce have been cooking for 5 minutes now. Time for me to add my chicken. Everything inside. My mushroom chicken sauce. My mushroom chicken sauce is ready. This is how my mushrooms chicken sauce looks like. If you like this video, support me by pressing like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. Bye. Love you all. Bye.